Welcome to day 33 of the Claude Coding Challenge. Today, we're building a media integrity analyzer that teaches media literacy through hands-on discovery. I started by copying and pasting this prompt into Claude. The app begins by letting users choose a color theme, including Claude Orange, before entering a guided learning experience. First, users take on the role of a headline detective. They're shown a fictional news headline and matching article, then asked, "Would you click this? And can you identify which part of the headline may be exaggerating the story?" Once they submit their answer, the app reveals a detailed breakdown, including a headline accuracy score, highlighted misleading words, a plain English explanation, a fair rewritten headline, and a key media literacy takeaway. Next comes the Emotion Detector Challenge. Users analyze a fictional social media post and identify what emotions it triggers and which phrases influence that reaction. The app then reveals the intended audience, emotional manipulation techniques being used. Finally, users reach a personalized media integrity dashboard where they receive an overall score, their biggest red flag, key lessons learned, and practical habits for becoming a more critical media consumer.